Welcome back to the channel. So if you watched the intro, you know that we are about to make some fire lasagna soup. This comfort season is about to be lit. Let's get to it. Hey guys, so as you can see, the ingredients are lined out right here. And remember, they're always going to be located in the description box. So let's get to cooking. Alright guys, so to the pot I'm going to add some olive oil. And then I'm going to add a pound of ground beef and a pound of Italian sausage. And I'm going to start breaking it up. Okay, so for the people who don't like eating pork, you can always substitute the Italian sausage for another pound of ground beef. If you don't like neither ground beef nor pork, you can also substitute it for ground turkey. Okay, next to the pot, I'm gonna add some diced onions. And we're just gonna cook this until the onions get a little softened and the hamburger meat start browning a little bit more. And guys, this is another one of those meals that's great for cold nights. Okay, so next guys, my little secret ingredient, I'm going to add some pesto, some basil pesto. Next, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Just going to mix that up. Now I'm going to add my minced garlic. And guys, another thing is that once you have all your ingredients mapped out, have everything cut up and measured, this recipe is going to come together pretty quick. Okay, now let's go in with some paprika, Italian season, and some oregano. Next, I'm going to add some garlic powder and onion powder, some salt and pepper. Put that in a mix. Okay guys, like always, the ingredients are going to be in the description box. And when I tell you it is smelling good in here, it is smelling good. This lasagna soup is going to be great. Next, I'm going to add some marinara sauce to my mix. Now guys, this is my homemade marinara sauce, and the recipe will be in this video right here. So we'll give that a mix. Okay, next I'm gonna add about 5 cups of beef broth. And we're just gonna give that a mix. All right, so now it's time to add just a little bit more seasoning to this mix. I'm going to add some red pepper flakes and sugar. And I'm adding a little bit of fresh parsley to the mix. And a little bit more basil. And let's stir that up. Okay, so now that I have everything in the pot, I'm gonna let my mixture come to a boil, and then after that, I'm gonna start adding the noodles. All right, guys, so next we're gonna go in with the lasagna noodles. All I'm gonna do is just break these up like this. Okay, so now the noodles are in the pot. I'm gonna let them boil for about 8 to 10 minutes until they get nice and soft on medium-low heat. Okay, so while I'm waiting on my noodles to get done boiling, let's whip up a quick ricotta cheese mixture that's gonna go perfectly with this lasagna soup. So I'm gonna add about a cup of ricotta cheese. And then I'm gonna grate some mozzarella cheese into the mixture. I'm also going to grate some Parmesan cheese. Next, I'm going to add some parsley. Make that color pop a little bit more. Then I'm going to add some low sodium creole seasoning. A little bit of pepper. And some of my all-purpose seasoning. Give it a good mix. Okay, so now that it's mixed up, I'm gonna let it chill in the refrigerator for a few minutes until my lasagna soup get done cooking. So now that the lasagna soup is finished cooking, let's plate it up and let's taste it. Let's add a little bit of that chilled ricotta cheese we made earlier. Next, we're going to add a little bit more grated Parmesan cheese. Hit it up with a little bit more parsley for some color. All right, guys, let's see what we're working with. Oh, let me get a little bit of ricotta cheese off of there too. There we go. Guys, this is delicious. The flavors taste just like a bomb lasagna. The ricotta cheese is hitting. The flavors are wonderful. So guys, there's nothing else left to do but subscribe to the channel. And until then, I'll see you in the next video. Let me grab my bowl.